Hello designers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Virginia and today we're going to use Planner 5D to set up for one of my favorite holidays, Thanksgiving. For some reason, my husband and I volunteered to host Thanksgiving this year. We have a pretty large family combined, so we're a little, stressed about having everybody over in our small house. So part of my plan to make things a little less stressful is to come up with a design beforehand so that I know exactly where everything's gonna go and how much to spend to make it all happen. Even if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, you can still use these same principles if you're planning a dinner and you just wanna see how everything would look beforehand. Before we get started, I have a secret offer for you. Here, come closer. Black Friday is coming to Planner 5D. From November 22nd to December 1st, users will be able to purchase a yearly pro membership for a great discount. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on that deal. And I guess while you're here, you could, like this video. Did you do it? Okay. All right, let's dive in. I think pretty much all of us use social media to get inspiration for holiday decor, but in my experience, that can quickly get overwhelming as it's easy to tell some of these designs are pretty expensive to do. The other downside is that everyone's home is different, so while something may work in one home, it doesn't necessarily mean it'll work in another. I mean, look at this. It's beautiful, but my wallet said absolutely not. So this is where the Planner 5D mood boards can really help you get a better grasp on your vision. Mood boards are a great visual reference point and can really help you establish the vibe of your design. Once you finish your mood board, you can actually link it to a new project so that there's a seamless workflow, and then you can access your mood board whenever you need it. All you have to do now is find similar items in the Planner 5D catalog and then create a 3D model of your design. The Planner 5D catalog has over 15,000 items and is constantly being updated. And don't forget to check out the holiday tab for items that match your occasion. The next important step is turning your designs into hyper-realistic renders so that you can see shadows, reflections, and get a better feel for the overall vibe. I personally have fallen in love with the 4K renders included in my Pro membership. We have a previous video going over all of the different settings on creating renders, so make sure to go check that out. This is such a cool feature and is easily one of the most fun steps in the entire process. AR mode allows you to immerse yourself in the decorations you've created. This is super easy to do and just takes a few taps to complete. Once you've opened up AR mode, you can scan your phone around your space just to make sure everything fits and is just the way you want it. This feature is perfect if you found a specific item that you really have your heart set on, but just want to make sure that it's the right fit in your space before you commit to buying. My table's a little on the smaller side, so I want to actually see how much room my turkey plate will take up on the table. You have complete control over all of the measurements so that you can make sure your item is to scale. So definitely use this feature to make sure you're getting exactly what you want. And that's everything. I hope this video was helpful and I can't wait to see how your Thanksgiving decorations turn out. Let us know in the comments which features you plan to use, and please also let me know what your favorite Thanksgiving dish is. I need to know. Mine is my mom's cranberry relish. It is so good and it tastes good on everything. You can find the recipe for that down in the comments. Thanks, Mom. To those who celebrate, I wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. And to those who don't, I hope you're getting some amazing fall weather and having a lot of fun with friends and family. We'll see you next time. Bye.